What if I told you that in the next 30 days, your entire life could change? Not because of luck, not because of some miracle, but because you decided to reset. This is your 30-day self-growth blueprint. Day 1 starts with a decision. You do not need a new year. You do not need a Monday. You need a moment of truth. Look at your life honestly. What's working and what's draining you? What habits are silently stealing your future? Awareness is step 1. So, let's dive into week 1. Clean your foundation. Wake up 1 hour earlier. Move your body every single day. Drink more water. Cut back on sugar. Sleep with intention. You are not just building habits, you are rebuilding discipline. Discipline is self-respect in action. Great. Now we are in week 2. This is where you rewire your mind. Read 10 pages a day, journal every night, write your goals clearly. Limit social media. Guard your attention like it's gold. Your thoughts shape your identity. Your identity shapes your future. Feed your mind growth, not noise. Week 3. Eliminate and elevate. Cut one toxic habit. Distance yourself from negative environments. Say no more often. Invest time in skills that increase your value. Remember, every no to distraction is a yes to your potential. Upgrade your circle, upgrade your standards, upgrade your self-image. Week 4. Execute with intention. Take action on that goal you've been postponing. Launch the project. Apply for the opportunity. Start the business. Have the difficult conversation. Courage compounds, and by day 30, you won't be perfect, but you'll be different, stronger, clearer, more disciplined, and more aligned. This blueprint works because it focuses on one truth. Small daily improvement creates massive transformation. 30 days from now, you'll either have progress or excuses. The reset doesn't require perfection. It requires commitment. So, decide today. Burn the old script. Write a new one. And when people ask what changed, tell them you did. This is your life. This is your reset. This is your 30-day comeback. Start now.